guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make delicious carrot juice. Let's get started. So here I have my carrots, 1 condensed milk, vanilla, nutmeg, and 2 supplements, and of course my blender. So there are many ways to make carrot juice, but I also love this one. So this is what I'm gonna do today, where I blanch my carrot, peel, washed, cut, and blanch them. In other words, I will steam them for 5 minutes. Set to cool and then blend. So now I will use a knife to cut away the top of the carrots, then peel. So now that I'm finished peeling the carrots, I will go ahead and wash. Now on a clean board, cut carrots and add them to the pot with 5 cups of water. Okay, now let's bring to boil. The 5 minutes is up, guys, so now I will set aside to cool. Now that the carrots are cool, add to your blender and blend. Now pour in a separate container. Please use the same water that your carrots were boiled in for blending. Now I will add condensed milk, supplements, star, nutmeg, that was a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1 tablespoon vanilla. I did not use sugar, guys. With the condensed milk and supplements, it was just perfect. You can now add ice to your carrot juice, guys, and enjoy.